flying saucer. On the evening of November 12, 2025, a resident of a small town in the Colombian highlands captured video footage of what appeared to be a classic flying saucer silently gliding above the mountain ridge. The witness claimed it was completely still in the air before making a slow, deliberate movement across the cloud cover. The object appears metallic, disc-shaped, and reflects ambient daylight, a common description consistent with numerous historical sightings dating back to the 1940s. Unlike balloons or drones, the object shows no visible rotors or propulsion system. It doesn't wobble like a weather balloon would in mountain wind. The shape remains smooth and consistent throughout the clip, and it never dips or bounces erratically. The video shows the object hovering above a layer of thick white clouds. Before continuing its path parallel to the mountains, it maintains altitude for a considerable duration before slipping behind cloud cover. Several locals reportedly spotted it from different angles, though this particular footage is currently the most viral. Some skeptics suggested this could be a drone or CGI overlay, but preliminary analysis reveals no frame inconsistencies or rendering issues. Local aviation authorities reported no air traffic in the area at that altitude or trajectory. The size and shine of the object also rule out most consumer drones. With no wings, tail, or engine noise reported, the object remains unidentified. The community now refers to the sighting as the saucer over the Sierra. Was it a drone, an illusion, or something much stranger? What do you think it was? Mysterious black box. June 30, 2025, at 10:40 p.m. in Livingston, Montana, everything seemed still until something unsettling interrupted the view. Hovering above the rooftops was an unusually shaped dark object, almost like a black box. It wasn't moving, it wasn't blinking, it wasn't reflecting light. It simply sat there, motionless. The witness, watching from a rooftop, tried to make sense of what they were seeing. This wasn't an airplane, not a bird, and definitely not a drone. The object remained still, seemingly unaffected by wind or light conditions. Zooming in revealed something even stranger. Its outline looked irregular and grainy, as if it was distorting the pixels around it. This object made no sound, no motion, and showed no visible structural features. The shape resembled a short, fat rectangle. Some compared it to a shadow cube. For the entire duration of the video, it hardly shifted. So what could this be? Some suggest a Mylar balloon stuck in a still air pocket. But balloons drift, and this object didn't. Others propose a drone or military surveillance tech, yet the lack of movement or light rules out most known drones. The shape doesn't match any aircraft or balloon configuration on record. And if it was a cloud, why was it completely black when other clouds appeared pale and translucent? Metallic disc-shaped entity. A series of clear photographs taken near the highly active volcan Valerica in southern Chile have triggered widespread attention from both UFO enthusiasts and skeptics. The images show a metallic, disc-shaped object hovering directly above the volcano's crater. The object appears to glow faintly against a plume of dark ash and steam, creating an eerie and dramatic contrast with the surrounding sky. Eyewitnesses report that the object remained perfectly still in the air for several minutes. It made no sound and eventually vanished without a trace, leaving behind only the constant rumble of the volcano below. The sighting occurred in full daylight, adding weight to its credibility. Volcan Valerica has a long history of reported aerial anomalies. Located along Chile's Pacific Ring of Fire, the region is not only geologically volatile, but also rich with past UFO sightings. This has led some researchers to suggest a connection between tectonic activity and the presence of these unidentified objects. Some believe these objects are monitoring seismic or geothermal activity. Similar sightings have been documented above volcanoes in Mexico, Ecuador, and Peru. Others suggest volcanoes may serve as cloaking zones or interdimensional gateways due to their heat, electromagnetic output, and remote locations. These theories remain speculative. Scientists have urged caution. They suggest that what was observed could be rare forms of atmospheric plasma, reflections, or even secret aerial testing by unknown aircraft. While no definitive explanation exists, the images from Valerica remain some of the most compelling visual evidence tied to volcanic UFO sightings. The silent, hovering craft, paired with the mountain's active crater, only deepens the mystery surrounding why so many of these objects appear near the Earth's most unstable environments. Suspended blue light. On the night of April 2, 2017, a quiet stretch of the East Valley in Arizona became the setting for an unusual sighting. Near the intersection of Alma School Road and the US 60, a local resident noticed a faint blue light suspended in the night sky. At first, it appeared motionless, hovering silently above the area. The witness began recording, unsure of what he was seeing, but certain it didn't match anything familiar. What made the moment stand out was how calm and still everything felt. There was no noise, no sudden movement, just a soft blue glow holding its position in the darkness. As the video continues, the light begins to move. According to the witness, it slowly descended, then stopped again, hovering at a lower altitude before descending once more and disappearing from view entirely. The movement was smooth and controlled, not erratic, and there was no visible blinking pattern commonly associated with aircraft. The witness later explained that he regularly observes air traffic from Phoenix Mesa Gateway Airport from this location and immediately noticed this was different. The color, behavior, and silence did not match any planes or helicopters he had seen before. Concerned and curious, he submitted the footage to the National UFO Reporting Center, which advised him to contact local media. Could the light have been a drone, an atmospheric effect, or something else entirely? The video doesn't provide a clear answer. What remains is a brief but puzzling encounter. A blue light that hovered, descended, paused, and vanished without explanation. And the question lingers, if it wasn't aircraft traffic, then what was hovering over the East Valley that night? Colorful hovering lights. On November 29, 2025, residents in the Panyu district of Guancha noticed something unusual in the night sky. Several vertical, softly glowing light forms appeared above the area, visible against the dark cloud cover. The lights were described as colorful pillars with distinct blue, purple, and green tones. At first glance, they did not appear to be moving and remained fixed in place for a short period, drawing attention simply because of their shape and color rather than any sudden motion. According to the witness, two of these colored lights were visible at the same time, hovering motionless in the sky. After several moments, one of the lights vanished abruptly, without fading or drifting away. Shortly afterward, the second light also disappeared in a similar manner. In addition to the colored pillars, a separate white, ball-like light was observed nearby. This white light remained visible only briefly before disappearing as well. There was no reported sound, no visible trail, and no noticeable change in weather conditions at the time. The lights did not appear to move horizontally or vertically before vanishing, which made their behavior stand out compared to aircraft or drones. No official explanation has been provided for the lights seen over Panyu that night, while atmospheric effects, reflections, or light pillars caused by ice crystals are sometimes suggested in similar cases. The sudden disappearance of each light without gradual fading raises questions. The event remains unexplained, leaving open the possibility of a rare optical phenomenon or an unidentified aerial source that has yet to be clearly identified. Just before I move to the next point, if you are new here and enjoy mysterious, unexplained UFO sightings, then do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to never miss a video. Mysterious gourd-shaped object. On a clear day with no visible cloud coverage, a peculiar object was observed in the sky. Unlike common drone shapes or balloon outlines, this object appeared unusually defined, resembling a gourd or a traditional spinning top. The object hovered at a steady altitude for an extended period, catching the attention of several onlookers below. Captured on video in broad daylight, the object appeared metallic with a reflective surface. Its upper section had a pointed extension, while the bottom tapered into a narrower end, creating a shape not often reported in traditional aircraft sightings. It did not display typical features such as rotors, wings, or propulsion exhaust. The footage shows no erratic movement, but instead a strange stillness that seemed to defy expected atmospheric drift. The lighting and reflections on the surface of the object suggest it was solid and not a weather balloon or a mylar object. No accompanying sound was reported at the time of the sighting. So far, there has been no official comment or identification from aviation authorities. The object's symmetry and reflective properties have fueled debate online, with some speculating advanced aerial technology, while others suggest a balloon or surveillance device with an unconventional design. Still, the clarity of the shape, coupled with the absence of visible control systems or strings, leaves the origin of this object unresolved. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to watch new videos.